Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your speaker JBL Clip 5. To make a hard reset you should press and hold play pause button and volume up button at the same time. So press and hold it. Here we go. Right here we have not connected. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click Pair New Device, and after that, press power button to turn on your speaker. Here we go, and as you can see, it went to prank mode automatically, so click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!